How do I fix a P-code problem on my Samsung dishwasher?
Hello, my name is XXXXX I will assist you. From what you are telling me, your half-load motor is defective. That is why you are getting that code. I am going to switch this to a Q&A section. You will receive a notice saying our chat has ended. That is not the case. As soon as you come online, ask me anything, and I will respond right away. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
I was not able to connect to you before. So, is the answer that I need a new motor for the half-load? Also, if I choose another setting, I still get the P error code. Why are the other settings affected by the half-load motor?
You don't need a complete motor. What you need is the half-load motor, not as big. The reason is because the part is defective. It is sending the wrong signal to the main control board, causing your issue. The part you need is actually called the synchronous motor, part number DD31000007A. I would also replace part number DD340004A switch for motor. You can order both parts from www.searspartsdirect.com. You may have to uninstall the unit to replace these parts.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.